piece was just it was just an additional. It's not actually going to count towards whether or not you got that right. What is that thing on the tree?
Yeah, cicada.
Zuvia, right? And then the life cycle. There's annuals and periodics. And what was the one with red eyes that I just learned about?
Periodic.
Periodics. Red eyes. That's pretty neat. I didn't know that. All periodics?
The ones that I know.
Just a 17-year-old.
Just a
17-year-old.
Okay, got it.
Because that was a couple years ago.
Okay, cool. So the life cycle then is to what? What happens?
They go back down into the ground.
They go back down into the ground.
They develop there,
They develop there.
and they come out and mate. And part of mating is that loud noise that we associate with them at night.
Yep.
And then they lay their eggs back in the ground and they die.
Okay, so this was one of the holes in many of the things was where do they actually lay their eggs? Maybe different species do different stuff, but one thing they certainly do is
In the tips of branches, and you
Tips of
can
branches.
tell when there's like if there's a big outbreak, you'll see lots of branch tips
branches
that
broken.
are damaged, broken, and dead.
Yeah, she's taking her
So
ovipositor,
big drop-
slitting
larva drops.
the bark, and laying
See,
it
it's
down.
ovipositor sign.
And
I
you
knew
will
it was gonna
see,
say that.
you will actually see rows of eggs, and sometimes it gets so deep that there are, like in apple orchards and stuff, the actual limbs in oaks. You'll see it all across deserts. You see it all across this, and it looks exactly like that.
That's where
That is what that sign is.
So is it always cicada ovipositor sign, or can it be any kind of ovipositor sign?
So, there are some others that can do it, and what I will say about this is where a book can be misleading, because I think that the insect tracking sign has some cicada egg laying that doesn't look like very common, very typical eggs. So there are some things that create slits. What I know in heavy cicada country is you can always count on this, where there aren't other things that do that. So I can't say positively that this is only cicada sign, but what I can say is this is perfect cicada sign. It's, yeah.
I got a question, just because this was my mind process. Do they only do it on the lower branches, like lower areas? Because I looked up and I could not see it any further off.
So what is interesting, I mean, that's a great question. It sounds like you often do see it, but that could just be because that's as far as we can see is down here at lower levels. But what is happening is those eggs are actually hatching and then they drop to the ground. And so, and then they're going into the ground, but usually arboreal born, or, but there, like I said, there might be other species that get laid right into the earth. I'm not sure. Anyway, it's kind of cool to see this whole thing right here. We've got the exuvia, we've got them singing, and then we also have very classic egg laying sign. Okay, kind of cool.
So I got we had 3 people say bark lice, and I don't know what that is. So I'm curious, what's that?
So copterans, they're like, the reason why I said it is because I saw one.
Yeah.
I never heard, I don't know what that is.
They actually, you can herd them on a tree because they're usually in big groups, and you can just use your finger and move them the tree. I don't actually think they cause any damage to the bark.
But they're just little bugs?
They're little ones.